Hi everyone, welcome back to my page Clathmic Kitchen It by Nikita Jain, and this is Nikita Jain's first travel story about my recent trip to Sikkim with my family. Those who don't know, Sikkim is a state in India and it is very beautiful, and I had made a trip with my family for 5 days and we enjoyed the whole trip and visit many places that I'm going to explain further in my videos. So let's explore Sikkim with me and my travel stories.
इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे कर बेरंगी शामें हुड़दंगी बस मलंगी यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे अतरंगी रे.
So let's begin with day 1. So day 1 is all about traveling. So it started from home to airport through cab, and then we opted for a Go Air flight that landed to Bagdogra Airport, West Bengal. And so this is a way to airport in Delhi. The tunnels are very beautifully decorated over here. You can see.
Good times we had. Oh, we had the best time of our lives. Chilling by the beach, fighting all night.
Finally, we are at airport. From entry to luggage submit, then security check-in, we are totally in the airport and rushing like nothing. So this is inside airport T2. We have to board a flight from here. Quite excited, from adults to juniors, all are just excited for the trip because this is for our first trip with family. So let's go inside the airport with us.
जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ ना मुझको खबर.
So flight is almost about to take off, and this is my little munchkin who is enjoying his journey, and he wants window side seat, so anyhow we manage it. And the view from outside, you can see clouds, beautiful. After being in air for 2 hours and 5 minutes, we landed finally to Bagdogra airport, which is in West Bengal. It is an defense airport and we landed safely, and it's done with all our luggage stuff. Now we have taken a 10-seater cab to travel from Bagdogra airport to Gangtok city. It's a 5-hour journey from Bagdogra airport to Gangtok, Sikkim. So our day 1 completely gone through traveling, and all the way was hilly. Kids are getting uncomfortable, but anyhow we managed to reach the final destination, that is Gangtok. And this is a very beautiful journey and beautiful road, because on the opposite side it is a Sikkim, and here I am in West Bengal while traveling. So beautiful views outside.
बाकी सब ठीक बस चल रहा है. बाकी सब ठीक बस चल रहा है. बाकी सब ठीक है ना. बस चल रहा है भाई. What about you? हाँ चल रहा है. बाकी सब ठीक.
We are just about to reach to our hotel, and after reaching there we first moved to restaurant because we all were very hungry. We continuously traveling through hilly areas and doesn't eaten anything, so it's a full variety of buffet was arranged there. So buffet was very good and we enjoyed the meal very well. To know the name of the hotel where I stayed, you have to check my YouTube profile where I have mentioned every detail. The hotel is very nice and services are very good over there. And now we are just filled our tummy. Now I'm going to sleep and meet you in day 2.